welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to make for you breakfast smoothies. And these are my ingredients. I have here papaya, pineapple, banana, and mango. And I have some oatmeal, and flaxseed, and I have walnuts. I'm going to use coconut water. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to add our papaya, pineapple, banana, and mango. Okay. Then we're gonna add our oatmeal. Oh, there's a little dust in there. Gonna add a tablespoon of our flaxseed. And we're gonna add our walnut in, about a tablespoon also. I hope I'm good with this. Just fill up too much. Wait for you. Okay, there we go. I think we fill up a little too much. Rinse this. Okay, now we can blend. Okay, we're gonna pour. Oh, this is so thick. Look at that. Oh, this is the bomb, man. Wow. So we're gonna decorate with some walnuts. Okay. This one is delicious. It's delicious. Okay guys, thanks for coming into my home one more time. God bless you. Take care and have a great day.